Hey everyone, Andrew here from Cable Bullet. I want to show you the different tensioner sizes we have and when you should use them. The really short version is that if you have a veneer or post sleeve, you might need a longer tensioner. Despite the size differences, they all provide the same amount of tensioning. The important part is that most, if not all, of the threading should be in the structural part of your post. Now let's get into some specifics. Our tensioners for wood and vinyl or sleeved posts come in 3 different sizes: standard, XL, and double XL. As I said before, despite the difference in length, they all provide the same amount of tensioning. You can think of the tensioner as having 3 distinct parts: the head, the shank, and the threading. The most important measure for what tensioner size you use is that when the tensioner head is flush with the face of your post, at least 75% of the threading is secured in the structural core. For people using normal wood posts, regardless of size, the standard size tensioner will work almost every time. If your posts have a veneer or sleeve, that's when you'll want to consider moving up to the XL or double XL tensioner. On wood posts with a veneer wrap, you'll need an XL tensioner if the veneer thickness is 1/2 to 5/8 inches thick. Anything beyond that, and you'll need the double XL. On posts with a vinyl or composite sleeve, you'll need an XL tensioner if the distance between the outside of the sleeve to the face of your post is 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. Anything beyond that, you'll need a double XL tensioner. To summarize, all Cable Bullet tensioners will provide the same amount of tensioning strength regardless of size. Use the shortest tensioner required for your posts. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments. If you're not sure what size of tensioners you need for your posts, give us a call. We're here to help make your view extraordinary.